Hi there, this is Liam from CoLab. This is a brief video showing how our customers are leveraging CoLab to more effectively engage their supply chain. And so in this example, what we're jumping into here is a DFM review that we are doing with one of our suppliers. And in order to do that DFM review effectively, of course, we've given them the drawing for this particular part, but what we've also done is provided them the 3D model. Since we're leveraging CoLab here, we're able to give the supplier easy access to that model in a way that they don't have to download it. So our IP stays within our control. We don't have to worry about creating derivative formats like step files so that the supplier is able to access it. And we really don't need to worry about whether or not the supplier has a CAD license. We're able to jump in and actually just start digging into this design. And so within this environment, the supplier is able to understand what is this particular part, what are we looking for them to manufacture, and giving them all of the context of the drawing and the model itself. And so not only are we receiving feedback on the drawing, the things like tolerances, how might we relax particular areas, but we're also able to start receiving feedback on the 3D model itself. And so in this example, we're asking about how might we simplify this particular area of the geometry, help simplify the passes that it's going through. And of course, we're receiving this feedback right in the context of that model. And so we're able to, in this case, see that if we simplify this geometry, that we're not actually going to have any clashes with the rest of the assembly, something that it's much harder to kind of view by just looking at the drawing. And we are able to take this view that the supplier provided us, this markup on the model, and pass that along to the internal engineering team so they can also quickly get up to speed, quickly understand what's being suggested here, and give us the thumbs up or the thumbs down on whether or not that's possible. And so that's what we've done here. I've received this feedback from the supplier using that internal discussion thread on that issue. I tagged my internal engineering team member, Phil Dunphy, come in, take a look. Is this something that we can do? He gave me the thumbs up. And so I was able to very quickly now jump over to my supplier facing discussion thread and let the supplier know that, yep, we can actually go ahead and make this change. And so we'll move forward. So that's a very quick example of doing a DFM review with a supplier, giving them not only access to the drawing with that manufacturing information, but also really easily giving them access to that 3D model as well,